Today we are headed again to the Valley of the Saints. It takes about an hour to get there, and we just love it there. It's a beautiful mountaintop, like it's a plateau in the country. There are a lot of statues there, and they continue to add statues because the plan is to have, I think, over 1,000 statues when it's all done, which would take many years and many artists to do that. Right about now there's 50 statues, all made out of marble that is quarried in that area.